there, this is Miss Ackerman, and I'm going to walk you guys through how to use your Class Dojo app the very first time. And then once we get you set up, we're going to show you guys how to access all of your assignments and how to submit your assignments. So when you get your iPad, the first thing that you need to do is get connected to your Wi-Fi at home, and then you're going to select the Class Dojo app. It's going to ask you who you are. You are logging in as a student. So go ahead and click I'm a student, and it's going to say welcome student, scan your code to log in. So you can use the QR code that your parents received in an email, or if they didn't get the code, you can select this and it'll say ask your parent or your teacher for your code, and they'll have to email out for that code. But we're going to try using the QR scanner. So some of you might have something on your iPad that says enable camera. It might look a little bit different than mine. If it says that, I want you to go ahead and click it now, because that's going to let you use the camera so that you can click on your QR code. So my student name is LeBron James, and my teacher has sent my parent my login information. So I've pulled up my QR code and it looks like this. And you need to line up your code inside the little box. It'll scan automatically, and then you're logged in right away. So I can see my name at the top, I see my little avatar guy, and then I see all of the classes that I'm enrolled in. Because in kindergarten and first grade, you might have a different homeroom teacher than you do in literacy, so you might have a couple different classrooms listed here. For example, if you are in Miss Martinez's homeroom, but you go to Miss Shriver for literacy, you're going to see Miss Martinez and Miss Shriver's class. If you also see Miss Morgan a couple days a week, you're also going to see a class name for Miss Morgan there. Some of you are only going to have one class. For example, I have some kiddos that are with me for homeroom and for literacy, so they'll only have one class there. So each time your teacher, no matter which class you're in, uploads an activity, you're going to see this little check mark that says one activity. So you're going to want to click on that. You're going to click on your to-do, and it's going to pop up with your job. So this one says spring break. Draw a picture and upload it to your portfolio about what you did over spring break. So that tells me what my teacher wants me to do. I have to draw a picture and I'm going to upload it to my portfolio about what I did. So I'm going to put my iPad to the side. I'm going to draw my picture. And then once I'm ready to submit it, I'm going to hit start. And automatically it comes up with my camera because my teacher said that we're going to draw a picture. So once you see your camera come up, put your picture in the middle and then click on the white button to take your picture. And you'll hear the little picture noise. Once you're done, you're going to hit the check mark in this top corner here. And you'll see that it says it has a picture of your drawing, and there's a little option up top for you to write something about your picture. So I'm going to put in something like, I read a lot of books. Oops. And when you're all done with your assignment, you're going to click in hand in. Maybe you don't want to type anything. Maybe you want to leave your teacher a voice note. It's been a long time since we've heard you guys. So if you want to talk to your teacher or explain your drawing, you're going to click this little red microphone button. And that'll enable you to leave your teacher a message on your assignment. No matter what you do, you want to make sure that you hand in your assignment. So click that blue button. And it will ask you, Class Dojo would like to add to your photos. You're going to hit OK. And then now it says that your assignment is completed. And that pending sign means that your teacher has to go in and take a look at your work. So you can go back out to your portfolio by hitting that little arrow. And you can look again. You have no activities to do. So you're all done for the day. Once you guys get logged into your iPads through the app, you won't have to go and do this every single time. So make sure that you're checking your dojo every single day. You're looking at all of the classes that you have listed and making sure that you're staying on top of your activities. If you or your family are having a hard time getting you logged into Dojo, email your teacher and they can get you some help.